Have you ever wondered how you could save $10,000 in a year without drastically changing your lifestyle? Imagine the possibilities. An emergency fund, a down payment on a home, or that dream vacation you've always wanted. Saving a large amount of money might seem daunting, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it entirely achievable. Today, I'll share with you a practical savings challenge that will help you accumulate $10,000 in just 1 year. Let's dive into the journey of transforming your financial habits, one step at a time. Let's start with a story about Olivia. Olivia always struggled with saving money. She dreamed of owning a home, but the idea of saving thousands of dollars seemed impossible. One day, Olivia decided to take control of her finances. She committed to a savings challenge, determined to save $10,000 in a year. With a clear plan and unwavering determination, Olivia managed to achieve her goal within 12 months, proving that with the right approach, anyone can turn their financial dreams into reality. Step 1. Know your why. Saving money can feel uninspiring if you don't have a clear objective in mind. Without a purpose, you might be tempted to dip into your savings, undermining your progress. So, why are you saving $10,000? It could be to replenish your emergency fund, prepare for buying your first home, tackle credit card debt, or save for a dream vacation. Knowing your why will help you stay motivated and prioritize your savings. When you have a strong reason, it's easier to resist the temptation to spend impulsively. Visualize your goal and remind yourself of it regularly. This will keep your focus sharp and your commitment strong, turning your savings plan from a daunting task into a rewarding journey. Step 2. Break the goal into manageable sections. When faced with a challenging savings goal, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Breaking down the $10,000 into smaller, manageable chunks makes it more approachable. To save $10,000 in a year, you need to save $833.33 each month, $192.30 each week, or just $27.40 every day. These smaller targets are easier to track and achieve, keeping you focused and motivated. By setting these smaller, short-term goals, you create a sense of achievement each time you reach one, which helps maintain your momentum. Use tools like savings apps or a simple spreadsheet to monitor your progress regularly. This approach turns a seemingly insurmountable task into a series of small victories, making it easier to stay on track and reach your ultimate goal. Additionally, breaking your goal into smaller segments allows you to make adjustments more easily if you encounter any financial setbacks. This way, you can still stay on course without feeling discouraged. Remember, each small step forward is progress towards your larger goal, making the journey manageable and less daunting. Step 3. Create or update your budget. A budget is crucial for understanding where your money goes. Start by listing all your expenses, both fixed and variable. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and insurance. Allocate a specific amount for your savings goal. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean giving up everything you enjoy. It's about balancing your needs and wants while saving for your future. Review your budget monthly to ensure it aligns with your savings goals. Adjust as necessary to stay on track. Include a savings category in your budget and treat it like any other bill that must be paid. This disciplined approach ensures that your savings goal is met consistently without feeling deprived or restricted. To make budgeting easier, use budgeting apps that can automatically track and categorize your spending. This helps you visualize where your money is going and identify areas for improvement. A well-maintained budget provides clarity and control over your finances, making it easier to prioritize your savings and achieve your $10,000 goal. Step 4. Reduce your expenses. Once you've reviewed your budget, identify areas where you can cut expenses. This might mean eliminating non-essential expenses like streaming services or food delivery. For essential expenses, find ways to reduce costs. For example, implement money-saving tips when grocery shopping, buy second-hand clothes, or borrow books instead of buying new ones. Substituting more affordable alternatives helps save money without sacrificing your quality of life. Small changes, like cooking at home more often or canceling unused subscriptions, can add up significantly over time. Be creative and think of ways to reduce costs in your daily life. These small sacrifices can lead to substantial savings over a year, bringing you closer to your $10,000 goal. Consider negotiating bills or finding discounts and coupons for regular purchases. Every dollar saved is a dollar towards your savings goal. Track your expenses closely to ensure you're sticking to your budget, and continually look for opportunities to cut costs without compromising your lifestyle. Step 5. Make more money. If you can't cut expenses any further, consider increasing your income. Look for part-time jobs, extra hours at your current job, or flexible side hustles like pet sitting or yard work. Be resourceful with unexpected money like birthday gifts, work bonuses, or tax refunds, and put these funds towards your savings goal. Every bit helps boost your financial progress. Explore online opportunities like freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or tutoring. Diversifying your income streams not only accelerates your savings, but also provides a safety net. Remember, the goal is to maximize your income without compromising your main responsibilities. With extra earnings, you can significantly speed up reaching your savings target. Step 6. Be strategic with your savings. Pay yourself first by treating your savings like a bill. Automate transfers from your checking to your savings account each pay period. Consider high-interest accounts to grow your savings faster, such as a certificate of deposit, CD, or a high-yield savings account. Participating in fun savings challenges can also keep you motivated and engaged in your financial journey. Set up automatic transfers to ensure you consistently save each month without having to think about it. Additionally, explore savings apps that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. These strategies simplify the saving process and help you build your fund efficiently and effortlessly. Step 7. Reflect and adjust. Regularly review your financial progress and adjust your budget as needed. Major financial changes like receiving a large sum of money or new expenses should prompt a review of your savings plan. Set reminders to check your progress monthly. If you're falling short, find additional ways to cut expenses or increase your income. Adjusting your plan ensures you stay on track towards your goal. Reflecting on your journey helps you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Stay flexible and adapt to any changes in your financial situation. This proactive approach ensures you remain committed to your savings goal and makes necessary adjustments to stay on course. Celebrate your progress and learn from any setbacks to improve your financial strategies. Keeping a financial journal or using budgeting apps can help you track your journey and make informed decisions. Step 8. Celebrate your progress. Celebrate each savings milestone, no matter how small. Whether you've saved your first $1,000 or stuck to your budget for 3 months, acknowledge your achievements. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reinforces positive financial habits. Choose simple, enjoyable ways to celebrate that don't undermine your progress, like treating yourself to a nice dinner or planning a picnic. These small rewards recognize your hard work and dedication, making the savings process enjoyable. It's important to maintain a positive outlook and reward yourself for your efforts. This balance ensures that while you are focused on your financial goals, you also enjoy the journey, making it sustainable and rewarding. 1 year from now, you could have $10,000 tucked away in your bank account. With the right mindset and strategies, this goal is entirely achievable. Don't be too hard on yourself if you encounter setbacks. Focus on getting back on track and continuing your progress. With dedication and perseverance, you'll reach your $10,000 savings goal and enjoy greater financial security and freedom. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.